Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to be working here on the Hyundai Elantra. As you know, we rebuilt the whole engine because it developed that piston slab that's a weak spot for a 2013 Elantra. And we're going to show you today where the thermostat is located, how to replace it since we have so much room since we took the engine apart, so stay with us guys. Also, we'll have more than 200 videos taking this whole car apart, so please guys, subscribe, like, always check out our official Facebook page, Auto Repair guys. Quite a few useful information there on the page as well. So now guys, okay, let me show you. We don't have the intake here. You can see the intake is missing and the alternator is missing because we're putting the engine together, and we decided, okay, since all that is gone, to show you where the thermostat is. You know, on most vehicles you can find the thermostat right here on the cylinder head, okay? But in this case, it's different. That Hyundai is different location. So, you don't have to remove the intake. I think it's doable even without removing the alternator, but you can have so much room if you remove the alternator, which is super easy to remove. We have the video on the channel, and you can see that pipe right here. It has two nuts, guys. We need to remove these two nuts now. Okay, and they do get pretty tight. So I'm going to show you what the thermostat looks like, explain what you need to get if you replace yours. Okay, we'll show you ours that we'll get now, and you can check out the description where we purchased ours from. Okay, right here. Now we'll go ahead and just pull it out, pull that pipe out of the way, and this right here, okay, you have to do that only if the coolant is drained out of the vehicle. Make sure you don't have coolant, otherwise you'll leak coolant everywhere, and if it's hot, it's going to burn you. And this is your thermostat. Now when you replace that thing, you want to get the one with the seal. Okay, don't get the one with the gasket, don't get just the one that's the metal thermostat. You want to make sure that you replace that gasket as well. So we got our replacement one now. And installation will be pretty much everything in reverse order, but you have to, you know, add coolant, bleed the cooling system. There is one spot that goes towards the top on the gasket. Okay, it goes only one certain way. Install that, then you need to install the two nuts. If you want to see how we drain the coolant, the video is on the channel below, so check it out guys. We have more than 200 videos on this car, and the bleeding cooling system video will be there as well, because you want to make sure you bleed the cooling system the correct way, otherwise your car might overheat. Okay, so just get the nuts tight. Okay, one's ready, then one more, and this one will be guys pretty much the whole video. So thank you for watching, please subscribe, hit that like button, and see you next time.